Welcome, welcome. Garland Knight of Cornelia. This is what I drew last time with, in the flip side being that Chaos the Endless. And then my shiny or hollow was a Mysidian Elder. And then we got an art card. And I love these art cards. They look great. Love the art. And so we've been opening Magic the Gathering Final Fantasy play boosters. Planning on building a deck with these. Let me see what I get. Let's see what we get. Pull this open. Alright. And another art card. That is pretty great. Together Forever. 32 of 53. And we're going to take 3 cards. 1, 2, 3. Move them to the back. And flip it over. And we got Side Quest, Catch a Fish. And on the flip side, Cooking Campsite. Neat. Albert Steiner. Legendary. Evil Reawakened. Gladios Amicitia? Probably saying that wrong. Crossroads Village. Monk's Fist. Ice Flan. Weapons Vendor. Vincent's Limit Break. Grand Pulse Ochu. Sabotender. A Farplane Gateway. And the shiny is a Blitzball. Go Master of Mimicry. That's pretty cool. Thank you for joining. Have a lovely day.